How to add Instagram post to story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually add Instagram post to story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to add an Instagram post to your story, all you have to do is first of all make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, you just want to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So if you want to add a particular post, photo or video to your Instagram story, all you have to do is just go ahead and then tap on any of these posts over here. Once you tap on the post, what you have to do is just tap on this little DMs icon next to that particular post. As you tap on the DMs icon over here, you'll be able to see these options, and you'll find another button that says add post to your story, and just tap on it. And you can see that post will be added to our story, and you can also tap on it for different designs. You can also change the color of the background if you want to. You just tap on the draw icon, or you can watch our other video for that. It's a little bit complicated process, but this is the way to add post to your Instagram story. However, in some cases you will not be able to find the add post to your story button, and the reason sometimes why you won't be able to find add post to your story is because the owner's account is likely private. They've only accepted your following request, but other people do not have permission to access their profile. So that is why when you try to actually add someone's private account's post to your story, you'll not be able to do so. Just in that case, you can take a screenshot and you can go ahead and tag them if you want to, in order to add them to your story. And this is how you can add or share Instagram post to story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, queries, and doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.